Okay guys, social playlist alpha. Finally we got it ready. Good enough that I'm happy to release it now. And so if you're watching this video, it's in the member area. And this is just an overview video to give you an idea of what you have just purchased. Okay, this is a really powerful tool. There is no other tool as powerful as this for YouTube playlist marketing, because the stuff that we have built into the tool has been built around strategies rather than just what we can do with technology or API keys with Google and YouTube, etc. Okay, I've actually created the strategies and then we have automated those into the software. Okay, so everything is really quick and really easy to use. Okay, so that's the first thing that I really wanted to get across, because there is so much that we can do with this tool. It's a very, very, very powerful tool, and there is still more updates coming over the next few days. In fact, at the moment, I've given my coder probably equivalent to 2 A4 pages of bullet points of things to tweak, to add. Not all major things, some of those are just cosmetic small things to make it easier to work with, but all significant and important enough that I wanted to get it done. And so we will continue to see updates over the next few days, so that we can take this as far as we can. Okay, so what we can do with the tool is some incredible stuff. We can do, for example, 6 different types of playlists. We can do playlists by cloning other people's already created playlists. We can even go and see the traffic stats on those playlists before we clone them. Okay, why would we do that? Because they have already spent time curating on a particular topic. Okay, so if we can identify some playlists that have got a lot of traffic, we can reverse engineer their metadata. We can copy that. We can better optimize the playlist than what they have done. Okay, we can take advantage of their hard work in curating that content and compiling content of different videos to make a playlist with. We can just copy all of it with the click of a button. Okay, and we can better optimize, so hopefully we can go and get better traffic, and we can go and get better optimization and get rankings, etc., etc. Okay, we can create playlists, for example, with your own existing playlist, and we can spin those playlists that you've got in your own channels. Okay, we can spin them and put it into multiple channels, and we can even do that by auto mixing the content and the order of the content, by adding a link back to the original playlist if you want to send backlinks to these other ones that you're syndicating out. So we can do that kind of stuff as well, all with the click of a button. One click and it's done. It's just really simple options, checkbox options for this advanced SEO stuff. We can even make money now with other people's videos. Okay, that was the thing that was really missing from any playlist tool that I've ever seen, was how to make money from other people's playlists. And the way that we can do that is by doing Creative Commons videos. So for example, just give you a quick look at this. If I come into this tab over here for recipe, all these videos here are Creative Commons videos. Okay, all of these. If I just clear this, we'll do a quick search in here just to give you an idea. Just expand on this and I type in here recipe. Okay, actually this is wrong. Just type in here recipe. And I go into the advanced search and I'm going to choose Creative Commons. I'm not going to choose any upload date or any time limitations in here, because it's kind of evergreen niche recipes. Okay, it's not like a news or sports or events kind of niche. So recipes, you can see in here, it's pulling in 50 videos. Now I can go and expand on that. If I click on this button up here that says to load more, I can click and get another 50, and I can click it again. Every time I click on the load more, I get 50 more videos. Okay, so I can keep doing that. So now I've got 250 videos pulled in here. Now what I can do is I can go over to the views and sort it by views, and you can see this video here has got 26 million views. Now if I want to pull that video into my playlist editor, okay, all I need to do is just checkbox all of these and I can import selected data. Okay, so it's been pulled in here. What I can do then is I can right click on any video, okay, and I can go and see the tags, the description, and we can even go and see what other videos that uploader has used in their channel. So for example, this lady here, this Hannah lady, she's got a video here on vegan recipes that's got 33,000 views. We can go and see exactly how she's managed to get those views. We can reverse engineer description, the tags, and we can even go and see her channel and see what other videos that she has got, and we can sort that out by the views as well. And this gives us an insight into that particular niche, that we can see what is working and what is resonating with the audience in that niche. Okay, so you can see this one, before and after, 70-pound weight loss transformation. This has got like 9 million views, 9.5 million views. Okay, so we can see how that niche is resonating with her content. You can see what they're actually responding to. We can reverse engineer everything that she's doing here. Okay, and that gives us a major advantage, because not only can we take advantage of the Creative Commons videos, but we can see how they optimize, and we can do the optimization better. Okay, now we've got things that probably this lady has not got. Okay, she's probably relied on YouTube, or most of these people have relied on YouTube to be able to get the views that they have got. But we have got some social traffic tools as well. We got one for syndicating social playlists into social accounts, and you can use multiple social accounts. We've got Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, Reddit, and Tumblr. I do intend to add some more. Okay, and you can put unlimited accounts in here. So if you want to syndicate out to multiple accounts, you can do that. Okay. So we got one here for the playlist, and we built an extra one in here, which I think is going to be more useful. And this one is for videos, just single videos, not playlists. Okay, so if I click on search and add in here, and I put in here, so say for example, WordPress, I'll just do a search. We can use this for curating content, and we can go and curate like up to a year's content, or even more, in just a few clicks. So we can, you know, like we can do like how to WordPress. We can go and do how to WordPress. I'll just clear this, and we can go into the advanced search and advanced filter in here. We can even do the Creative Commons stuff again if we want to. Okay, and I can do it for the last year, because WordPress changes quite a lot. And here we've got a whole bunch of videos that have got Creative Commons. We can download these, re-upload them into a channel if we have a channel about WordPress, and we can syndicate these. Okay, so all I need to do is pull them in, import the selected video data, and as long as I've got accounts in here where we can just click and add our accounts for Blogger, Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, and Tumblr, then we can syndicate that content. Okay, we've got advanced schedulers, which I will cover in a separate video as well. So we can put this scheduler on, add a runtime, and we can set up some scheduling time, so you can actually go and, you know, syndicate these videos over time, well ahead of time, months in advance. Okay, just at the click of a button. Really powerful stuff. Okay, so we can do a lot with this tool. Just an overview. I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to give you a sort of idea of what you can do, just whet your appetite, what we can do. And as we go through the step-by-step stuff, where I'm showing you how to use the software in the initial tutorials, so that you can get an idea of how to use the tool effectively, so that you can learn some of the nuances of actually creating playlists with the tool. Because sometimes there's a couple of steps there that we need to use, that I need to cover, so that you understand what to do first and what to do next. Then we'll get into more strategy stuff, where we will go into sort of webinar kind of training is going to be best for this, so that we can cover strategies for monetization, strategies for SEO, strategies for social traffic, strategies for building an audience as well. Okay, it's really important that we can build an audience in any niche that we want to enter. If you want to enter that niche seriously, you really want to be building an audience, and we can take advantage of other people's expertise by using a tool like this. So actually, I was going to call this social curation alpha. That was my intent to call it that, but I decided at the last minute just to keep it as social playlist alpha. But it is really a curation tool, and a really powerful one as well. Okay, so that's the overview.